wonder if other people in hill ground do this as much as we do. I'm stopping.
I wonder.
I don't know. Like, it's a serious question. Yeah, fold that auger in. I'll move out of your way. Or maybe I'm good. I'm good. Hey, bro, you missed some beans. Okay, I got all that stuff completed with my field here. This is one of my 4 favorite landlords' farms, or his farm, but definitely one of my 4 favorite landlords. So then I've just got to move the grain cart, since it's empty, move it over the other side of the hill to the other property here, which we will be cutting beans on today. Here we go. Doubt we can do it in one day. There was not a dew last night. Very little moisture out there. So as soon as Isaac gets back and I've been able to get most stuff moved over here, I think we could probably go right away. All right, we're taking one of Isaac's bean loads into town. You're going low one to get out of the field because we got a bit of an incline here. Nobody's coming. Probably will in the next couple hours. Right before dusk, we'll be moving to a different field that's very near where Isaac and Lindsay live. About 50 acres of soybeans. Hopefully we can get that knocked out tomorrow. And even at this point, we are ahead of schedule with the soybeans. With the soybean crop. We have 50 acres there. We're finishing up with 50 where we're at. We got 50 there. And then we've got about 69 acres near my house of soybeans. And then we have a big 120 acre field that the 3 of us share. I have 62 acres further north into Mills County, but we'll be messing with that after we do all the other corn, mainly because it has some shatter cane on that field, and I just don't want to spread that around to these other acres. So like I said, we'll do 220 acres of like 290 acres of beans left. Then we switch back to corn and run almost all the corn except for that last field, and then we have to swap twice. Hopefully we'll be done in the last week of October. Ago, it's a much smaller operation, got bought out. My dad, along with probably 7 or 8 other farmers, basically kept the thing in business because it was easier to go just a couple miles and do business here than it was going a long distance, like up to Omaha or Council Bluffs. As you'll see here, there's this smaller bins here, and then there's the old concrete elevator, and then there's bigger bins. I can't remember what their capacity was prior to 2014 when they installed the huge operation. Let's say roughly they went from like 500,000 storage or 750,000 bushel storage to like 3 million or something like that. I gotta get out and untarp. And back. Okay, so now we're weighed. They took a sample of soybeans. I think they'll test that sample while we pull around here and actually dump. So they'll have it ready for when when they give us our ticket, tell us if we're docked anything for moisture, like heavier, more water content in the soybeans. So I highly doubt that, because the last one was 11% plus foreign material or damage to the soybeans, which were not, based on the last ticket, was not a measurable amount to dock us, which is good. Up in the soybeans there. Like I said earlier, it's a dusty affair. So before I go back in the elevator, the office, and get the ticket and all that kind of stuff, I was gonna point out we have like 15 acres left to go before we're done with this field, before we can get moved. So we're gonna try to get the rest of those soybeans on the semi, and then we'll take the grain cart and the combine and get moved to the next field, and then hopefully get all those filled up. And nobody's combine, and what are we doing here? What are we doing? Lindsay's vehicle's not here. That means somebody went to get something. Maybe Lindsay left. Maybe that was it. Jeremiah's here though. What are y'all doing? Is anybody working? Fixing something. Okay. Roll this window up. Let's go check stuff out. I don't know what they're doing. Oh, I'm gonna get in here. Oh yeah, I can tell he's working on the header there. All right. Loser! I leave the field, I come back and nobody's doing squat.
I'm fixing it.
Was it that bad?
Yeah, this one, the guard was, it had one bolt in
Well,
it.
yeah,
so
because this bolt was all...
So the guard was underneath.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was
So it
time.
was that bad.
It was that bad.
I wouldn't have stopped if it wasn't.
What? What'd you say? Okay. That's what I thought. Thought I heard you say nothing.
So
It's like an old timer, bro.
Huh?
It's like an old timer. Although it's
I'm rocking the classic farmer's look, so sue me.
it's not as big hanging out. God has a lot of them.
I think I need to get a fedora and then I can be like 1940s, 1950s farmer.
Wouldn't it be straw hat? Would be the
No, that's like
You were-
hayseed thing. That's,
you were a fedora in jean overalls.
I can show you family pictures. I'll find them.
Hysterical evidence.
Yeah, hysterical evidence. Okay.
Do you guys out there want to know what evil is? That's evil. Water hemp. Yeah, it's bad. Evil. Not today, weeds. Die.
Dead now, but it already did its damage.
That. Now,
Never
I'm
do
gonna walk up here.
on a post again. Ever.
There. Cracks, broken ones. Right there. Right there. I don't know what the specs are, but I know you can estimate yield loss by calculating behind the combine how many beans you see.
You know, I have to edit all that you say. I have to go back and listen to it. So you can't just... Did you stop it?
I should push delete.
No, but I'm just saying, like, I control what's said. Unless you want to edit it.
No.
You don't even have the app. Stand back. Did you get it?
The thing here is to avoid cutting yourself on that.
Okay.
Not working.
Get it? I got it. You got it! Yes, you did. You did get it.
We got it. Kind
You
of
don't
like
have
the
to. There you
Three
go.
Stooges, you know.
Who's Mo though?
Remember, Sterling used to have a bowl cut when he was a little kid, so he's always
yeah.
Mo. And he's the bossy one, right? Because he's the older one. So
I was always bossy to you.
Well, I've been pretty bossy lately, I think.
really,
Have I
Yeah,
been
because
bossy?
Isaac thinks he knows something, so he's gotta boss everybody else around.
so what did Isaac know?
I don't know. I just said he thinks he knows.
Oh,
Okay, do not put broken guards.
bean.
Whatever. He thinks he knows.
It's the beans.
Yeah.
You know what? So adding up the two things is exactly 1850, which is what I said I thought it might be.
What's this for?
Yeah, good one, Mo.
For what?
Bushels hauled the town out of the field.
I'm having a problem.
Figure it out.
Well,
Jeremiah figured it out the first time, no problem. Never done it before.
I know, and I've done it hundreds of times. but I think I need to loosen the little guys.
I'd never done it ever in my entire life.
Watch this.
Yeah.
Go, whatever. I don't care.
Boom. It's just one example.
See, the easy thing to do is act like you don't know how to do it, which I didn't.
You're
but-
such a liar.
So he's scheming to not have to do work and making him do it. It actually works pretty well.
Yeah, you'd know, wouldn't you?
No?
Ouch!
Did you cut yourself? Do we have blood?
No.
Because my first aid
Not
kit is in my
yet.
car. I can
Oh.
run and go get it right now.
I feel like I'd bleed out before you get back. I don't know. I needed that.
So the ditch I was talking about, just kind of a lower spot where these two hills where it drains down there. All right. Sorry, bro. Just a couple beans ran over, not much. Not much. Woo! Dusty. Shake and bake, baby. Shake and bake. Thanks for watching.